Hey, 8th graders. Continuing our look at the chapter on genetics. Lesson 2 is called Probability and Heredity. So, our My Planet Diary is a field trip. It's called Storm on the Way. Have you ever watched a hurricane form? I'm going to go with probably not. But weather forecasters at the National Hurricane Center, or NHC, in Miami, Florida have. From May 15th to November 30th, the NHC operations staff is staffed around the clock with forecasters. They study data from aircraft, ocean buoys, and satellites to develop computer models. These models predict the probable paths of a storm. If the probability of a certain path is high, the NHC issues a warning that helps save lives and reduce danger. So very important people that have a very important job. So, 2 key questions. How is probability related to inheritance? And what are phenotype and genotype? We'll go right there. So, probability is a number that describes how likely it is that a particular event will occur. I hope that you've heard this in math. If not, that's okay. But quite often used in math, and you find out how likely an event is and determine that. But that's how genes go. So a Punnett Square is a chart that shows all the possible combinations of alleles that can result from a genetic cross. So in a genetic cross, the combination of alleles that parents can pass to offspring is based on probability. So as you can see, there's 4 options. So basically, everything, and this is actually incorrect. So 1 second, let me get a right picture. Okay, let's try this one. So the dominant genes are the TT up here. So dominant, they're capital letter, and then the recessive is what they're normally called. So we talked about last time, it's the TTs down here. So big T, little t, big T, little t. And I'm sorry, guys, this is still not right. Well, we're just going to forget the picture. Anyways, the importance is the cross, so combination of them. But to have a big T and a big T is 1/4. To have a big T and a little t is usually 1/2, so 2/4. And then little t is usually, excuse me, 1/4. So there's 4 different options, and then the chances that you can get them. So forget the picture. I'll find one for next lesson. Sorry about that. So then we have phenotype, which is an organism's physical appearance or visible trait, or visible traits. Genotype is an organism's genetic makeup or allele combinations. So an organism's phenotype, again, is its physical appearance or visible traits, and genotype is its genetic makeup or alleles. So homozygous is having 2 identical alleles for a particular gene, and heterozygous is having 2 different alleles for a particular gene. So homo same, hetero different. So vocab, we had probability, Punnett Square, phenotype, genotype, homozygous, and heterozygous. So please complete the Edmodo questions for lesson 2. Let me know if you have any questions. This is due Thursday, and have a wonderful day.